Here's Danny on his new tractor. It was just delivered this morning. Right now he's pulling a couple little stumps out that are in our woods. I don't think you can see them too good from here. And of course there's Tessa laying in the way. Well, there's one stump out. It was just a little one, but he had trouble getting over it. We've had a lot of rain the past several days, so the ground's kind of on the soft side. So that makes it easy, I guess. Trying to make a path to get down to the creek. And then when he finally does that, we're going to try to make a bridge across, so that'll be nice. He's using the backhoe end right now to dig that stump out. Well, I'm going to give him a hand, so we'll let you go now. Bye now.